The next billion-dollar character won't come for Disney, Pixar, or Nickelodeon. It's going to come from someone sitting in their bedroom with AI. Alright, my geniuses, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can create unlimited cartoon episodes for absolutely free, and not those weird, shaky cartoons. I mean consistent, professional-looking ones. We're talking about the type of content that could make your friends go, "Bro, did Disney call you or what?" I'll be using 3 powerful tools, all free, and by the end of this video you'll be able to create your own cartoon empire while sitting in pajamas. So without wasting time, let's roll into it. Step 1, the brain of this entire process, ChatGPT. Just hop onto ChatGPT, paste the prompt, don't worry, I'll drop the link in the description, and boom, your cartoon character prompt is ready. Copy it, don't be shy, ChatGPT isn't going to charge you rent. Next up, Nano Banana, and no, this is not a fruit smoothie shop, it's Google AI Studio. Trust me, it's one of the most powerful text-to-image tools. Paste the prompt from ChatGPT, hit run, and sit back. Within seconds, bam, your character is alive. Now maybe the background looks a little ugly, like, "Bro, why does my character look like he's standing in a haunted bathroom?" No worries, just tell it to change the background, and this tool will switch it smoother than butter on a hot paratha. Now comes the fun part, VO3. Yes, my friends, the magical tool you can use even without a credit card. Go to Google and search Flow. This is my free account. Open the first link. My free account, 100 credits. That means 5 videos instantly. And if you've got unlimited Gmail accounts, well then you basically just hacked the system. Inside VEO3, you'll get 2 options, text to video or frame to video. Click frame to video, upload your image, and select VEO3 fast, then give it the animation prompt of your choice, like, "Make my character dance like he just got Wi-Fi after 2 days," and hit generate. Within seconds, you'll have a pro-level video ready. I'll show you the results at the end, so don't skip. But wait, how do we make the video longer while keeping the character consistent? Simple. Download the video, go to Google, and search Last Frame Extractor AI. Open the first website. Upload your video, click next, and boom, you've got 4 frames. Pick any frame, download it, go back to VEO3, upload that last frame, and give your next prompt. Like magic, it generates the next part of your video. Do this again and again, and soon you'll have a full cartoon episode. Stitch everything together in any editing app, and congrats, you just became your own mini Nickelodeon. So, how did you like this tutorial? If your brain just went, "Bro, this is fire," then hit the like button right now. Don't act shy, I can see you. And of course, subscribe, because next time I'll bring even crazier stuff. Oh, and if you want to unlock unlimited Nano Banana, no, still not talking about fruit, then check out the video on the left. In that, I've shown you step by step how to use Nano Banana unlimited times. That's all for today, my friends. Until next time, stay creative, stay consistent, and goodbye,